Hello everybody, my name is Jeremy Kalalo. I'm from the second class of electrical engineering 1 diploma 4. I'm student from the Manado State Polytechnic. We'll discuss about how to turn off the fire in the workshop. The first step we take is the fire extinguisher. Then we have to know how to use a fire extinguisher. How to run? The first, pull the safety lock or seal. The second way is to grasp the end of and aim the hose at the fire source. Next way, press the lever. The last method is to shake the hose at the source of the flame slowly until the fire is extinguished. My message: we should be more careful in working with flammable material or tools. Thank you for watching. God bless you.